in Port-Harcourt at Ordinary Road, and behind me is Afor Market, where we have just installed a 50 kVA solar solution in the building. The entire building you see right now behind me is running off-grid, powered from solar panels and lithium batteries, and it can run for 24 hours with less than 2 hours dependence on diesel. Right, so this is part of our 5 in 5 project, where we aim to install 5 million solutions in Nigeria in the next 5 years. This is one of the utility scale solutions we have deployed as part of this scheme. And at the moment, we are going around the nation from city to city to deploy these solutions and increase energy access across the country. I'll take you on a tour around the building now for you to see all the loads that are powered. But firstly, I'll take you to the power room so that you see what we have deployed. Please come with me.
Alright, so this is the power room, and we have these are the equipments. What you're seeing now are the inverters, and these are switch breakers. What you're seeing here now is the battery bank. So this is the storage for the entire system. We have smart batteries. Alright, so the ground floor of the building is a shopping mart. It's a supermarket. You can see one of the ACs on the inverter on. There are 3 ACs on this floor. On the inverter, you can see all the till computers. This is one of the chillers on the inverter. There are 6 chillers on this floor. This is another one, and there are 4 freezers. This is another chiller. All equipment powered on the inverter. So this is the second floor of the building. You can see the lights on the staircase are on. Everything is powered from the inverter. You can see all these lights. You get to the till where you have that's a coffee machine there. You have the chiller. These are the ACs on this floor. There are 2 ACs on this floor. We have 2 freezers and a refrigerator, 2 refrigerators actually, and other equipment. All right, so this is the lounge. We have 4 ACs here and a ground mount AC as well. There are giant TV screens, about 6 giant TV screens on the lounge. This is audio equipment that the DJ uses to entertain the clients. And we have about 6 chillers on this lounge and 4 freezers, and everything is powered from the inverter. You can see some of the chillers